Hey everyone, and welcome to the first video in the content series of 90-Second Knowledge. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to use headings in your content. You know what I'm going to say? If you want to get the latest hints, tips and tricks straight to your inbox in YouTube, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the alerts button, and you'll get notifications as soon as we release new content. Headings might not seem like an important thing, but they can play an important role when it comes to the layout and how your users and search engine crawlers interact with the content on your website. Think of it like a person shouting the key bits of information to whoever is visiting that piece of content. There are 6 different heading levels from H1 through to H6, with H1 being the most important. And that's like a person shouting, "This is the most important piece of information on this website." And that's where you want to add the key pieces of detail that show users what the content of your webpage is about. And you can use these headings to break up the content and improve the flow, so as users read down, they've got a break in what might otherwise be a really long piece of content. So, we're going to get 90 seconds on the clock and take a look at how to add headings into your web pages. Begin by checking which heading types are used on your web page. Select a title with the right click and choose Inspect Element. In the window that loads, we see H1 either side of the title, denoting a heading level 1. Do this for the other section. We can see the other section titles are contained within a paragraph tag, so we can change these to headings to make them stand out more. Edit the piece of content in your content management system. Most will have a drop down that lets you choose between the style of heading that you want to use. Because our web page already has a H1, we can select the title and choose H2. You always choose headings in a logical order, from one H1 on a page to multiple H2s, and beneath a H2 you would have a H3 and so on. You should always use headings in this logical order. We can now go down and choose a H2 for all the section titles. Where we have a subsection title, we will choose a H3 because it's a subsection of the main section which is using a H2. You can apply this to all of the sections within your content. Once you're done, save your page, and you can refresh your main content page and see that the section titles have now changed in appearance because our headings have certain styling attributes associated with them, making them stand out more when a user scrolls through the content. So there you go. That's how you can quickly and easily add headings to the content on your website, breaking it up into clearly digestible sections, meaning your users can more easily engage and interact with it. Why not give it a go? And join us again soon on 90 Second Knowledge for more practical digital marketing advice that you can use.